The dry-only function on the Whirlpool FWDG86148W washing machine allows you to dry clothes without running a wash cycle. This feature is especially useful when laundry has already been washed separately or when garments simply need extra drying after air drying. Instead of repeating a full wash program, the machine focuses solely on the drying process, saving time and energy. By selecting the correct drying mode and duration, you can safely remove moisture from fabrics while protecting delicate materials. Try these. Step 1. Load the damp laundry into the drum and close the washer-dryer door securely. Step 2. Turn the program selector knob to the drying program or dry only option. Step 3. Use the control panel to choose the desired drying level or time setting. Step 4. Press the start, pause button to begin the drying cycle. Step 5. When the cycle finishes, remove the clothes promptly to prevent wrinkles and allow them to cool.